I'm Mackenzie and I'm an APSD. So everything is very fast. The first day we get into it right away. It's amazing. It's like we don't waste any time. We get into everything right away. The teachers are very there on any questions we have or really anything we need. They're just right there, always helpful, whatever we need. Everybody is very genuine and nobody here is like fake or like acts like that. I think everybody here really does care about everybody and it's a great place to be. So I think coming to the Medspa Institute has really helped me because it's so hands-on and we get to learn everything on each other right away. We do all the treatments on each other. We have our instructors there to help with any questions right away, so we really are learning the right way to do everything. So after going through the aesthetics program and now being at the Medspa and going through the advanced aesthetics, I really feel like I can help people feel beautiful and help them feel good about themselves. All the instructors are very hands-on, they're very helpful in every way, and I love it here so much. I would recommend Medspa Institute to everybody. It's the best place to be. I love being here.